Where we are going?
We're going to we're in Germany.
Yeah.
And now we're going to get some kucku clocks.
Okay.
Or we're going to see some kucku. It's a kucku factory. This looks like a toy one, but it's actually like real.
Look at this.
I'll start with the first clock. That's a replica of the first clock made here in the Black Forest. It was made in 1640. As you can see, a very simple one. Only wood at that time, of course, no plastic. 3 wooden wheels, that's the movement, and stones like this to power the clock. And for this one, you have to pull the string twice a day, every 12 hours to rewind the clock. Otherwise, the clock will stop. And after that, it has only one hand for the hours, so you have to guess the minutes. And you see in between is half past and so on.